Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Pittman. Hope you've had a good day today. I'm going to read you a story. It's called Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late by Mo Willems. Anybody else staying up too late? Besides me. Oh, good. It's you. Listen. It's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. That shouldn't be too hard. Thanks. And if you notice, the dedication page over here, it says, "For Trixie at bedtime." Anybody know who Trixie is? First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? You might need to brush it. Okay. Yeah. My son just got out of the shower and asked me if his hair was good. No? I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. Say hi, Catch.
Hi.
Your hair looks really good, by the way.
Thanks.
I like it. And you smell a lot better. How about 5 more minutes? Come on, what's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? Does that sound like anyone else?
Me.
What? What? Come on, what? I'm not tired. Notice that we're all in caps. And it might be kind of hard to see, but the pigeon, you can tell by the way he looks that he is what?
Tired.
Tired. And anything else?
Frustrated.
Frustrated. Anybody ever been frustrated? Like every day. You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day.
It was pretty good.
You had a good day today?
Yep.
Good. I'm glad, buddy. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Hey, ho, ho, this here pigeon just won't go. Please. No, my bunny wants to stay up too. You cannot say no to a bunny, can you?
Yeah, you can. If it's fake.
Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. Yawn. I'm 100% awake. You haven't heard the last of me. Great work. Thanks. Good night. Dreaming of hot dogs. So, the end. We finished another book. Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Maybe you shouldn't stay up too late. Have a good night. Love you guys.